Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we will discuss about Pancha MahaPurush Yoga. This yoga gives a person name, fame, status, wealth and also the intelligence. Pancha MahaPurush Yoga is a combination of 5 separate yogas. These are Ruchaka, Bhadra, Hamsa, Malavya and Sasa Yoga. Pancha MahaPurush Yogas indicate 5 types of planets created by Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. The planet causing the yoga must be strong in the birth chart and must continue to be strong in the Vargas. The respective planets will produce their qualities to the fullest extent only if they are strong. Some astrologers says a Pancha MahaPurush Yoga does not fructify if the sun or the moon combine with the yoga producing planets. So first is Ruchaka Yoga. When Mars in a Kendra and in its own or exaltation sign, then Ruchaka Yoga is formed. And also Mars should not be combust. Let's see this in an example chart. In this example chart, Mars position in 7th house in his own sign, that is Aries. One born in Ruchaka Yoga is good looking and handsome. He has a prominent face, beautiful eyebrows, dark hair and a clear complexion. Such a native is bold and courageous, full of strength and vigor, and eager to pursue adventurous activities, wherefrom he earns name and fame. Ruchaka Yoga results from a predominant influence of Mars in the horoscope. True to its nature, Mars instills into the native a capacity for valor, adventure and dominance, with consequent proneness to physical suffering and injury. A strong Mars ensures immense physical strength and dominance in combat. Now the Bhadra Yoga. When Mercury in a Kendra and in its own or exaltation sign, then Bhadra Yoga is formed. And also Mercury should not be combust. Let's see this in an example chart. In this example chart, Mercury posited in 10th house and in its own sign. One born in Bhadra Yoga is physically strong and healthy with the long arms. Bhadra Yoga confers learning and virtue on the native. Such a native is skilled in the technique of yoga, of a stable mind and very intelligent. He is sensuous, versed in the sacred scriptures. Also, the person is very judicious and does not favor or forgive those around him. This yoga also gives extreme wealth. The person is blessed with comforts, wife and progeny, and also the person enjoying the high status. With Mercury having its dominant role in Bhadra Yoga, The stress here is on learning, intelligence and virtue. The native earns status and wealth through his own pursuits and enjoys their consequent comforts. Now Hamsa Yoga. When Jupiter is in a Kendra and in its own or exaltation sign, Jupiter should not be combust. Let's see this in example chart. Here Jupiter posited in 10th house and in its exaltation sign, that is Cancer. One born in Hamsa Yoga has a fair complexion, prominent cheeks, beautiful face and a golden luster in his skin. His nails and palms are red. His eyes have the color of honey. His voice is sweet like that of a swan. Such a native has a thirst for knowledge and sacred scriptures. He is virtuous, doing good to others and is blessed with a beautiful wife and a lovely physical form. Jupiter brings in the qualities of virtue, learning and eloquence. It is associated with a lot of grace and dignity. Now Malavya Yoga. Malavya Yoga is formed when Venus is in a Kendra and in its own or exaltation sign. Venus should not be combust. Let's see this in an example chart. Here Venus posited in the Lagna in his own sign. The native born under the Malavya Yoga has a graceful appearance, fine and beautiful lips, slim waist, handsome body, deep voice and a bright complexion. Malavya Yoga confers learning and wealth on the native. Such a native earns through his own efforts. He is powerful and blessed with wife, progeny and material comforts. Clever, learned and versed in sacred scriptures. However, the person has an inclination towards extramarital relationship. The prominence of Venus in the Malavya Yoga confers beauty, learning and inclination towards physical enjoyments. Now Sasa Yoga. Sasa Yoga formed when Saturn is in a Kendra and in its own or exaltation sign. Saturn should not be combust. Let's see this in an example chart. Here Saturn posited in Lagna in his exaltation sign, that is Libra. The person born with Sasa Yoga is brave and cruel. He has medium height, slim waist and high set teeth. His complexion is dark. He frequents jungles, mountains, forts and other odd places. He is competent, wealthy and learned and is keen to point out the faults of others. Excessively fond of sexual act, he associates with women not his own. He is adept in metallurgy and the science of chemicals. He suffers physical ailments and lives up to an age of 70 years. Saturn is the planet of masses. Sasa Yoga, which is caused by a dominant role of Saturn, confers on the native a capacity of leadership. There is physical enjoyment but physical suffering as well. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.